Hi everyone, this is Dr. Victor Santiago from OneHealth Chiropractic Care. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Please remember, if you're watching us on Facebook, remember to like, share, and to also like this page so that you can get all the information we're going to be sharing with you guys. And if you're watching through YouTube, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay. Today, throughout this with this videos and live FaceTimes, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna share some great information, very valuable. We're gonna have different topics. Today, we're gonna be talking about car accidents and the importance, how important it is for you to get evaluated. And to get seen as soon as possible, and why chiropractic is an excellent profession that is actually going to help you to recover faster and to avoid long-term injuries as well. First of all, I want to talk a little about the different rules in Florida, because in Florida, I don't know if you guys know, but we only have 14 days to seek medical treatment. So let's say if you had an accident today, and most car accidents you may feel just a little soreness, and you let it go and you wait, let's say 2 weeks, and it happens to be a Saturday, then you have to wait until Monday. You're not going to have any benefits from your insurance. So I exhort you that if you've been in an accident, take action and definitely be seen within 14 days. The sooner, the better. And that takes me to the second point. The longer you wait, the longer it's going to take for any injuries to heal and to recover. So the more you wait, the higher the chances you have to have long-term injuries or long-term symptoms. Okay. Second point, we're also going to talk about the type of accidents. There's different kind of accidents, from a minor fender bender to a total wreck or a total loss. Definitely, the more impact there is in the vehicle, the more severe could be the injuries. But it doesn't mean that a minor fender bender is also going to cause a lot of different symptoms. The most common symptoms that you're going to feel with a minor accident is aches throughout your body, or soreness, which most people have the wrong perception that it's something that is gonna heal by itself and that is gonna go away, that you're gonna be just fine, but not quite. A lot of this, there we go. A lot of this minor aches and soreness can actually be turned into something more complicated, or something that can have you with other symptoms down the road, and that's what we want to try to avoid. Okay. Fourth, common injuries and symptoms. We're gonna start with the injuries. Of course, most of you guys have heard of the famous whiplash. In most car accidents, there's gonna be a whiplash, most likely. So it could be a mild whiplash, it could be a severe whiplash. These are going to cause moderate or, from mild to severe symptoms. Most common symptoms of whiplash are neck pain, back pain, headaches, dizziness, jaw pain, and we also we could get blurred vision. We could have, we already talked about the dizziness, headaches that could come and go, also shoulder pain, chest pain as well. Okay. Other common, let's see here, we're going to, all right, sorry about that. We're also, brain injuries is another common injury that we see with car accidents. And with this, we're talking about traumatic brain injury, which can go from a mild concussion to more severe injuries in your brain that can cause difficulties of speech, hearing loss. It can cause vision problems, concentration. It can affect your memory. There's way too many things that could be happening in your brain in different lobes or in different areas that can affect you in different ways. It can affect your balance as well. Other common injuries are head contusion or impact to the head, that you may hit the steering wheel. It could be that you hit the headrest, and this can cause also pain on your jaw and other areas of your face or close to the neck. Then we have chest injuries. With this, we could have a contusion with the steering wheel, which, in severe cases, it can cause fracture of your ribs. It can lead to costochondritis. In other cases, like I already mentioned, back injuries or pelvic injuries, referring to the lower back. Some other injuries common to see are leg contusion or injuries to the knees or ankles. Same to your upper extremities on your wrist. Just by holding to the steering wheel, they can hyperextend, and this can cause a sprain of your hand. Okay. The other hand, what are the steps that you most take after a car accident? First of all, you got to stop, examine yourself, make sure that you're safe. Okay. Of course, you gotta report to the police the car accident, so that you can gather, or the police can gather, all the information you're gonna need to set your claim. Like I said, in Florida, you only have 14 days. I want to keep reinforcing this because, we have seen several cases that the patient didn't have any pains, or they felt sorry for the other party and they let them go. They don't do anything about it because they don't think you're gonna get the benefits. And the bottom line is that actually your car insurance is responsible for your injuries. They're the one that are gonna cover for your medical expenses. Okay, and again, like I said before, car accidents, you may feel most common injuries or most common symptoms are just soreness or body aches. And this is something that can turn into a long-term problem. So if you wait too long, the more likely you are to have more symptoms, the more likely you are to have a slow recovery, or possible having long-term injuries. Also, I actually forgot to mention another of the common injuries we could get, which this is why chiropractic is so important besides all the other injuries, of course, and symptoms. But disc herniations and nerve root injuries are very common to see in car accidents. And this may cause numbness, tingling on your hands or on your legs. They may also trigger headaches. And disc herniation is something that can turn definitely into long-term symptoms and long-term problems. And it could take it a disability, and that's what we want to try to avoid. Okay, how we can help? First of all, you don't need a referral from your primary care physician or any other doctor to come see a chiropractor. So that should be your first step. You should definitely, and we're going to be sharing our the information to our office or of our office pretty soon. But you should take the step of scheduling an appointment with us so that you can get examined. Now that is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to do a very thorough examination of the different symptoms or the different complaints that you may have. So that we can know what is the root of the problem, what was actually injured. Also, we're gonna start with some therapies that are gonna help you with the pain. we have different kind of therapies from electrical muscle stimulation, ultrasound. We're gonna be adding cold laser very soon. And I'm gonna be talking more about the different treatments as well. On the other hand, it's also very important that you actually come to the office, get examined, and start with the treatment plan that we're gonna set for you, so that we can help you recover fast. Okay, so that you can get back to your daily activities, you can get back to your job. So the sooner you take action and you start with the treatment plan, the faster you're gonna recover, the less days of work that you're gonna miss, the faster you're gonna be feeling better and getting back to your daily routine. And we're also going to reduce the chances of you having a long-term injury or long-term symptoms. So going back to the different treatments that we provide, we set up a plan that is going to go into different phases. First of all, we're going to get you out of pain, and then we're going to make sure that those areas, either the joints, the ligaments, the muscles, or the nerve, they can recover as fast as possible. So I already mentioned some of the passive therapies like electrical muscle stimulation, ultrasound. We also do, we're really strong in this, on soft tissue manipulation, which can go from Graston technique. It could also be just manual manipulation with the hands, which is going to help to break up any adhesions on the muscles, and allow your body to recover how it should and to heal properly. We're also really strong on the on therapeutic exercises, because the exercises is what actually is going to help you to fix your back and make sure that it's stable enough so that your body can protect itself. So this is going to make it stable, so it's going to reduce the chances of your joints getting re-injured or your nerves getting re-injured. Also, the chiropractic adjustment, bottom line, that is what we specialize on. This is going to be the most important part of your treatment. And there's different conceptions, chiropractic adjustments, there's different ways we can address this problem. Basically, we are targeting your spine. We're fixing the not just the alignment, but the function of your spine. Why this is so important? Because within your spine goes your nervous system, which is basically what controls all the different functions in your body. So this is going to go to your nerve, this is going to go to your organs, this is going to go to the different areas of your skin. So by working with the spinal manipulation, or adjusting or fixing the function of the joints on your spine, this is going to be promoting the healing process of all the other parts in your body that could possibly be injured. Okay, this is also is going to help you with headaches and possibly the dizziness as well. On the other hand, there's different kind of adjustments that we can perform. Don't have in mind that because you were in an accident, you're very sore. There's some patients that they don't want to even be touched. But there's different kind of adjustments that we can do. It doesn't mean that we're gonna go directly into manual thrust, that we're gonna just snap your neck and crack your back in different places. No, we have different instruments that we can use that are very safe, very gentle on your spine, and along the process, as you're healing, we're going to be modifying these techniques that we use so that you can get the most benefits out of the chiropractic adjustment. Okay, like I said, basically chiropractic adjustment is one of the most important things. This is going to be stimulating your nervous system and stimulating the different parts of your body to heal properly. So please, if you or anyone you know, any relatives or friends have been involved in a car accident, don't hesitate to call us. You don't need a referral. Just contact us. We can guide you through the process and get you better as soon as possible so that you can go on and move on with your daily life, daily activities, getting back to work, getting back to your gym, to your workout, and so on. So again, Dr. Victor Santiago from OneHealth Chiropractic. Our phone number is 407-704-4939. I look forward to see you soon. See you next time.